Hi, I'm Barry Clark with Audio Video Charlotte. We're here at one of our recent installations with one of our best clients, Sarah.
Well, we moved in here a year ago and was shown our media closet, and it was a disaster area. Tons of wires coming out of other wires, nothing labeled. Behind the TV, on the wall here, were more wires and connectors, but nothing, we didn't know what was what.
Right.
Well, we brought our old TV from the old house, and we figured out how to hook up the cable. Well, then the TV started going on the skids. So we bought a new TV, which was a bigger TV. And it was time to figure out the wiring. We didn't know what goes where, and it really just needed to be straightened out. In order to utilize everything that was already pre-wired, we didn't know what it was.
Right.
Or,
at this point, this was when you reached out to us.
and then we called. We were like, we got this new TV. We don't know what these wires are capable of doing. We don't know what the TV is capable of doing, and we needed help.
Okay, so at that point we came out to the home and did a site inspection of all the equipment, tested the wiring, and then offered up a solution that we hoped would get these guys excited about using this system. So you hired us to do the work, we executed the tasks. How does the system live up to your expectation level?
Well, we've had a really good time. We have rewatched all 6 of the Star Wars so far at loud as we want to, and it's been really fun. Like as the family, my sons insisted we do that.
That's awesome.
We've also looked up all the different movies that sound really good with the surround sound and watched those. I personally like to turn it on a music channel while I'm cleaning the house, really loud. It's just fun. It's fun, and we really have done. It's a strange thing to say, I guess, but we watch movies as families now because it's fun. We can sit on the couch and we can hear behind us, we hear noise.
Right.
On the sides we hear noise. You hear thunder, it's like, oh, it sounds like it's in the room. So it's just a fun thing to play with.
Okay, I love that. I mean, it's one of the things that we strive for is to keep it simple, make it fun. The technology can be overly complicated. Sometimes it's not quite as easy as plug and play as some of the manufacturers might suggest. So I'm glad that we met your expectation level. Do you think maybe we might have exceeded it a little bit?